In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert HD video to 4K in Premiere Pro. If you have footage that was originally exported or recorded in HD and you want to deliver it in a 4K format, Premiere Pro makes that process very straightforward. It's important to understand that this won't magically create new detail that wasn't in the original file, but it will let you place your HD footage into a 4K sequence, scale it properly, and export it in a clean 4K format for upload or delivery. To get started, import your project into Premiere Pro. Once your media is ready, go ahead and create a new sequence. Press New, then choose Sequence, and open the Settings tab. This is where you'll define the resolution for your timeline. In the sequence settings, change the frame size so your timeline is set to 3840 by 2160. That's the standard resolution for UHD 4K. After that, press OK to confirm the settings. Now you've created a proper 4K sequence that your HD clip will be scaled into. Next, drag your video down onto the timeline. When Premiere Pro shows the clip mismatch warning, choose Keep Existing Settings. That part is important because you want to keep the timeline in 4K rather than changing it to match the original HD clip. Once the clip is on the timeline, right-click on the video and choose Set to Frame Size. This automatically scales the footage so it fits correctly inside the 4K sequence. It's a quick way to make sure your clip is framed properly without having to manually adjust the scale. At this point, you can do some quick color grading to help the video look a little better after being scaled up. Go to the Effects panel. If you don't see it, open the Window menu and select Effects from there. Then find Lumetri Color. One useful adjustment here is sharpening. Increase the sharpening to around 15 to 20%. Since the footage is being enlarged from HD to 4K, a bit of sharpening can help it appear clearer and more defined. Just don't push it too far or the image can start to look harsh and unnatural. When you're happy with the result, go to the Export tab at the top of Premiere Pro. Set the format to H.264 or H.265 depending on your workflow and preferred file size. Under the video settings, make sure the resolution is still set to 3840 by 2160. Then raise the bitrate for better quality. A good target is around 15 to 20 megabits per second or higher, especially if you're uploading to media platforms and want a cleaner final image. Once everything looks correct, click Export, and that's how to convert HD video to 4K in Premiere Pro.